Good day to everyone. Today I would like to say how to download WhatsApp in laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop there will be a three option to download WhatsApp in your laptop. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest way. Just go to Chrome browser. This is the first step. Just go to Google and search WhatsApp. Just type WhatsApp. So it will move into a WhatsApp. It's a web option. There will be a download WhatsApp will be there. Just hit the button download WhatsApp. Automatically your WhatsApp application download will be open here. So on top right hand side you will find a download option. Just hit the button. Automatically your application will be download into your laptop. That is WhatsApp installer. You can download within a single click. You can install as well as simple. The second step, just go to Microsoft Store in your laptop. That is, just go to your start menu and you will find a Microsoft Store. Just hit the button of Microsoft Store. So here there will be a search app. Just type a WhatsApp. So once you click a WhatsApp, the WhatsApp will be open here. So there will be a install option will be available in WhatsApp as you see here. So this is open because I have installed WhatsApp. So otherwise it will ask you to install. Just click the install button. Automatically your WhatsApp will be installed over here. As the desktop view will be like this, so you can able to see chats and you can create a video call and all kind of chats will be happen within a single click. Yes, so the third option, how to download the WhatsApp in your laptop, just go to start menu. You will have a predefined application will be stored in Microsoft. As you see here, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Instagram, WhatsApp, everything will be there. There will be a download option showing like a arrow, so it is not downloaded in your laptop, so you just click means automatically it will download. Similarly, I have downloaded the WhatsApp. This is the third option. Just hit the button. Automatically WhatsApp will be open like application, so you can click it to get started. A simple, reliable and private way to use WhatsApp in your computer. So just click it to get started, and whether you are iPhone or your Android, just go to settings and scan this one to link the phone number. So just type your phone number and give the next, otherwise click QR to scan. So simple and easiest way to chat and download and create image, create a video call using your laptop with a WhatsApp application. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the comment box. Otherwise give a subscribe and give a like button in your YouTube. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.